god, I'm so excited for this video. You guys cannot even like understand.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see the video title, I never thought this day was actually going to happen, but I am going to be sharing with you guys my first ever luxury purse. I know, but Renee, aren't you a broke college student? I am. This was actually a gift as well. I don't know if you've kind of noticed a theme with nicer gifts. I don't want to jump into like why this is happening, but it's an achievement, and you know, I'm not talking about it because it's one of those achievements that they're like little stepping stones, and you kind of like, you know the saying where it's like your biggest achievements are those that you don't share with people. And this is kind of one of those situations where it's like, you know, something happened and the people that know what was that noise? The people that know gifted this. It's not something I have shared with the world or social media, and it's not something I'm going to share either. It's kind of just one of those that the people that know, and eventually, you know, when it becomes bigger than what it is, then I might come around and sharing. But I totally feel like it's true that like you shouldn't boast any like little accomplishment until it's like worth it, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is a gift because again, I'm broke. So yeah, oh, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So this is something that was on my wish list, and if you've seen that video, you probably already know what it is because you know it's Gucci. But I've already used it. You know, I put it back because it's my baby. I'm not wearing any rings because I don't want to scratch it and stuff like that. So it's my baby. So how about we just jump in and sharing what it is. It's in its little dust bag. I've been dying to share this with you guys, but I don't know, I felt like it had to be special sharing with it, and even though my hair is like still damp, I was like, I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna wait to dry my hair to do it because I just can't wait that long. And oh, that's the back. That was very not my gosh. So this is the Gucci Marmont bucket bag in white. This was on my wish list. This is actually the only Gucci item that was on my wish list, and she's gorgeous. I have her stuffed. Like I said, I have used her. It's a her. I named it after the sale associate. So her name's Maria. Say hi to Maria. My first baby. And I'm just in love. I don't care if like the GG was overdone by the regular Marmont bag or by the Gucci belt. She's special. She's different. She's cute. And I love it. It's so cute. This is the one obviously that I wanted first. I don't know. It's white. It's perfect for like the spring and the summer, even though we might not be going out as much, but the areas that I live, you know, it's fine. I might not wear her like in the winter just because she is bright. She is cheerful. Maria, so it's a she, her. She smells so good. And yep, I really don't know what else to say. Love this. Might post like reviews and stuff of it. I might just do that in this video, so I might have to pause it and get stuff. But the way that you close it is by like squeezing the leather. I don't want to squeeze it like, you know, until it's tight closed because I don't want the leather to crinkle and wrinkle. So I actually don't mind that it doesn't close, and I did mention this in my my wish list that it was like, oh, like it doesn't really close that much. I have a bad habit of just not closing my bags because I like to overstuff them, so this actually does work. But I'll also show like what I've been doing for the times that, like, you know, maybe I don't want it open. But there is a lot of ways to wear this bag besides the over the shoulder, and I'll show you like what fits in there. But inside the bag it has like this flap portion. I might just make a separate review of it, but I'll just quickly show you kind of what fits. You know, you can close it, like even in the stores they've displayed it closed, but I think that'll just happen as the leather starts to stiffen a little less. I like to reiterate on this channel is that I'm a poor college student. I cannot afford a $230 silk Mitsa scarf from Dior or a Twilly from Hermes, so I kind of just deal with what I have. But I feel like because the bag is white, this fits actually quite well. And now I have like a makeshift like top handle. Granted, I have not brushed up and have not really looked into on how to properly do this, so this one might be like a little wonky, but you know, I just did it really fast just to show. But what I did is I take one of like the tassels, I take the opposites, because those are the ones, the opposite sides are the ones that like diagonal opposite, so like the back one here, and then sorry, this is the front, and then this is the back one. So I take those and I tie them together in a little knot, and then I tie the Twilly scarf, and it automatically like becomes a top handle. So you could just have it like this, which I love bags that you carry like this. I just love like holding and having secure what I have, because obviously because this doesn't close all the way, and I keep the other two, like I could tie them if I wanted to, but this actually helps tightening and opening like right underneath. So if you need to get into it, you can just stretch out the bag, and if you need it to like get your stuff, and then if you need to you know, tighten it because you're going to be around, you could just squeeze them back together. And again, the opposite ones are the ones that yeah, look, this is not pro. I did not see a tutorial, but this is kind of what I've been doing. And like right now, because it's summer, and like currently when I'm filming it, it's 4th of July here in the US, but you know, I'm not personally celebrating 4th of July because of everything that's happened. That's why I'm wearing yellow, because it's happy. But you know, even with the white bag, this is like so summer, and like I said, with the silk scarf it probably would look even more pristine. But then you've automatically turned this bucket bag that just has like this gold thing, or I'm sorry, the gold chain that you would normally just wear like either crossbody or on your shoulder. It automatically becomes the accessory to it. And if you even wanted to shorten it because it might be too long, you can use the clip to tie it, or if you're comfortable tying a knot. I'm not doing it. Like, girl, this is my first bag, I'm babying it. And it doesn't like scratch the bag or anything because it's not like, it's heavy but it's not sharp. And I just think this is so cute, so summer, so spring. Again, you can totally change the feel depending on the scarf. If you look at the side, it actually looks a lot better because that's where I started and this is where I ended, and I don't know quite how to end it. But then like now I have like this where like if I'm holding it, no one can just like get in regardless of it being open. But that's my baby and I'm so excited. It's my baby. I'm gonna stuff it real quick just so you have an idea of what can fit in it. So we have Miss Maria here, and I'm just gonna quickly show you from this angle what fits. So we have just the regular iPhone 10, which is my phone. This is my YSL card holder. She's quite thick, quite a chunky one. It's the one that I've been using specifically when I've been using this bag, but it will take up quite a bit of space in here. So as you can see, you know, with the phone and with the wallet, it only leaves about like half of the bag space left. But you know, obviously if you had a card holder, this is just a Michael Kors one. Instead of the YSL one, you would have way more room. But even the card holder fits in. Since I don't have car keys with me, you could do like your fob or whatever that you use instead of the YSL one. We have just a Sephora compact mirror. And of course the bag does have the card slots, but with it being open, I probably wouldn't put cards in there, maybe cash. Hand sanitizer, very important in these times. So quite deep, as you can see, she's all the way down there. And a couple of lip products. Don't even have to be standing up, but they can be, and that's normally what I would carry in my bag, but as you can see, there's still like quite a lot of room, but this is with the bag being completely open. If I start to close it, then all of those things like start to become a little bit less accessible. But as you can see, all of that fits in. You still have a lot more room, but I just have a minimal bag. Honestly, I don't carry that much with me, so the size is perfect for me. Maria. So I'm so happy that I've been able to introduce my baby, my first Maria, my first designer handbag with you guys. Honestly, like, this is just the icing on top of everything that happened. I'm so sorry I can't share that information with you guys. Maybe one day when, you know, it progresses, but like, she has everything in there. I try not to overstuff her because, like, as you can see, it does have like it'll kind of mark in the bottom. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm sad that like I can't go out and about and use her, but she's been used the times that I have gone out, so yay, I'm so happy, and I hope you guys can be happy for me. But I love you guys so much, and I just wanted to share a little bit of my happiness and joy with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys all in my next one.